Today we will learn that CK together make the K sound, as in duck. Let's say the sound 2 times. K, K. CK is only used at the end of a word right after a short vowel. Let's practice reading words that end with K. Let's start by blending the first 2 sounds and then adding K at the end. Then we'll say the word faster. Neck, neck. Rock, rock. Lick, lick. Pack, pack. Now try reading some words on your own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to keep practicing.